Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll tell you how to install your Brave browser on your Firestick. And let's get right into it. So, first of all, Firestick doesn't allow direct browser downloads. So, we need to enable apps from unknown sources. Here's how. Go to Settings and My Fire TV. Click Developers option. Enable apps from unknown sources. Now, installing Downloader app will be like, we need the Downloader app to install your Brave. So open the Firestick home screen, search for Downloader, click Download and install it. Enter the URL in the Downloader app. Once installed, the URL would be basically brave.com/download. Now click on Go. Scroll down and select Android APK. Choose ARM v7 for best Firestick. Now, after the download is complete, click on Install, open Brave browser from Apps and Channels, and now start browsing ad-free and privately. And that's it. Now you have Brave running on Firestick for faster ad-free browsing. If you found this helpful, please let me know, and I hope this video was helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching.